Have a look around me, dear loving friends. At the moment, I'm in the open field. Beloved friend, I want to improve myself by any cost, so I have come here. Because practice makes a man perfect. If I do not practice, I won't be able to improve myself. If I do not try to make sentences, I won't be able to improve myself. I'm just continuing my practice. Wherever I go and whatever I see, I try to make sentences because if I make different kind of sentences, it will be helpful to speak English. So, my dear loving brothers and sisters, I have been practicing for the last 6 months. I don't know when I will be able to improve myself, when I will speak English fluently like as British, American, I don't know. I will practice day by day, inshallah. I won't look back me. Inshallah, I will try to best from my side. I know a great proverb, if I help myself, Allah will help me. Thanks for watching. All the best. Assalamu alaikum.